Buddy, fan collector here. I'm actually at my dad's house now, so I'm gonna record the fans here. What we have here in my game room is a 52-inch Hampton by Glendale. So bought this at Home Depot for around $60, and I'm gonna go give it a demo. And if I use the light off, I'm gonna turn this. Lights on the lamp on right now, so I'm gonna leave the light on. And I'm gonna turn it on low. The interesting thing about this ceiling fan is the blade arms, or the motor housing. It has a little cool kind of pattern on it. I don't know what it is, but I love the pattern. It's better than this little cheap I don't know, what's the word? One of those Brookers. This fan does blow a great amount of air for a Hampton Bay. I love it. And let's turn on medium. I actually got these little custom pool chains from Home Depot for around $3. The original pools are in here. But I prefer these, they're longer. And also, I think they look kind of better. Here's the fan on medium. I love medium speed, it blows the perfect amount of air. And here's high. It does wobble quite a bit on high. Now you see it does look quite the wobble. Can't really catch it on the camera, but I think you can tell. This is one of the 2 ceiling fans installed in my house. Sorry if you hear people talking in the background. My brother's playing his Xbox. And now let's turn it off. I know, I'm an idiot. And there's actually 3 switches. This one. And then actually, I'll show you the other finish on top. And then here's this one. And then the final one is, I think, this one. This one. This end has 4 wall switches, or 3 wall switches, my bad. That's actually the old full chain because it doesn't work. So they go to Ace Hardware and get a new one. Actually, when I first bought this fan, and my dad's friend and me and him hooked it up to the ceiling, it actually didn't work because one of the wires, the black wire for the pull chain, actually broke off. So we had to go to Ace Hardware, get a new one, and also we're still stuck on 1 speed. So we put the black wire in the high speed one, so it only worked on high speed. And this fan actually was thinking about replacing this with a harbor, some sort of Hunter Harbor Breeze fan, but we fixed it, so I didn't really need to. Here, I'll stop it with my hand. The bottom side is just this dark oak, and the light side has this lighter oak. Here the way brackets up close. Light shades. You use these things I don't know what kind of bulbs they use. I'm not a light bulb nerd. Here's the top of the housing. And here's the canopy. And then there's the ball. There's the sides of the motor. And then here is the motor and then the blade arms. And here is the light pool and the fan pool. Yeah, this is my 52-inch Hampton by Glendale ceiling fan installed here in my playroom. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and never share this video with a friend. And goodbye.